Welcome to TNT TV, the Femme Queer Entertainment Network.
Hey you guys, Superwoman here, coming to you live and direct from Sweet TNT. Here what's going on. ISW Superwoman. You understand? And I want to say thank you and shout out to all my loyal subscribers and to even the new ones. Love to you all and hoping you all continue being there for me. So, can't forget all you. How am I going to forget all you? Lots of love to everyone from every part of this world within the community. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Right? To get my older posts, I have a blog which is SW-Outer Paradise, one word that is, .blogspot.com. So hope all you get that. And I'm on TNT TV. Remember that there? Here what's going on. As I just go in the description down below. And you can't miss it. Right now it's Olympics and you know I'm a fanatic for sport. So oh gosh, watch now man. I ain't sleeping at all. It's sports, but athletics is my thing. So you know what's happening? On the 4th athletics start. From now on, since the computer really up and running, all you going to be getting videos regular. Here what's going on. Yesterday was a public holiday in Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago was the first country in the world to celebrate the abolition of slavery and make it a public holiday. The 1st of August 1985, Trinidad and Tobago do that. So yesterday was a celebration. You understand? The Emancipation Support Committee, that is the group, the committee in charge of overseeing that African, what it is called, Liberation Day. You understand? It have a village, they have in the Queen's Park Savannah. You see? Just now, all you? Just now, the Lady Yasu Omawali Emancipation Committee village. And they set that up in the Savannah. For let us say the 1st is the day, the actual 1st is the day, but a week before, that village opened. And it have African artists from all different diaspora throughout the world coming and performing and all of that. And the direct day, which was yesterday, it had the parade and everybody come out in the African garb and all of that. And it have a procession throughout the street, and that is in the city of Trinidad and Tobago, Port of Spain. You understand? But I don't really take part because I believe, here what's going on, every day is Emancipation Day for me. Because you're supposed to emancipate yourself, and plenty African ain't emancipated as yet. You know, we still fighting each other, and it's still a fight down and all kind of things. So I really don't take part in it. I had a consciousness right throughout the year, you know, that kind of way. I just trying to live a consciousness throughout, not for one day, at the 365 days of the year. So I conscious right throughout. You understand? And we need to emancipate ourselves from. We have a mental slavery now. It is physical, you know. It's mental because we're fighting down our own selves. You understand that kind of way? So I just really don't take part in it. I don't take part. Me and mine who take part in it. But I personally, I just kind of stay away from it because I just call that a one-day African mentality. Because in Trinidad, they try to tell you here what's going on here, it's a Trinidadian. But I am an African Trinidadian. You understand? I am an African Trinidadian. It's not a Trinidadian. You must have somewhere where you come from and that consciousness. All you, this lovely garden. This come like heaven. This is Palmy's Gardens. Watch it. Oh my God. It's serene. It's peaceful. You could have picnics. It have a track where you could run and walk and exercise. Watch the trees. You know, if you choose to, you come and picnic, you relax yourself. It's the best. This is Palmy's Garden. It's not too far from where the Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago live in, the Honorable Kamala Persad-Bissessar. There's Palmy, she live in, let me say, half a mile, Philippines. That is where she live in. But watch me. And let me tell all you, Nicki Minaj was in her homeland. You know, she's from Trinidad and Tobago. She came and she do a video telling you, all you see it, watch me, it's the best. It's the best, I'm telling you. If you see she come and do it with Marshall and Bunchy and all. Everybody she used in that video was from Trinidad and Tobago. If you see that, she always see it already, you know. All those who are Nicki Minaj fan, check it out now. And remember, SW, tell all you, is the best that was made in sweet Trinidad and Tobago. And when all you see that, I know all you go want to come down Trinidad and Tobago. Hey, so watch me now. Don't rush, you know. Don't rush. Take all your time. Because I know. All you go love all yourself. See what's going on all you. That is all for now, you know. Love you all. Bless up.